Ahoy, ahoy, and welcome to another episode of whatever the hell this is. I did something really impulsive and I got another antique sewing machine. This one is a treadle. I got really nervous about fitting it into the car, but in the end, it was all okay. Now this is just a little cute miniature we happened to find on the very day that we went to pick it up. But I have my new old Singer 66. I dated it to 1924, which literally makes it the bigger sister of the 99 from 1925 that I already had. So she was in pretty good shape. There was a little bit of work to be done, so let's get right into it. Here it is. Here it is. I think I actually need both my hands to pull it out of there. Ah! Crap. And here is my first treadle machine. So, yep, she's pretty dusty, but that's to be expected. Having trouble making out exactly what the serial number is, but I am like 99% sure, I love the faceplates on these, that this is a 66 because it looks just like the big sister of the 99 that I have. And there's my cat who's trying to see if he can learn how to use the treadle. So what it looks like, that all I'm going to have to do is clean this up, oil it, obviously get the belt on it. And it does have, it actually, you almost never see this, but this does actually have its original throat plate that's just hidden away in one of the drawers right now for safety. And it is very dusty, so I'm very afraid I'm gonna get a horrible allergic reaction as I try to clean it, because that's always what happens. All right, that faceplate again. I am ready to get to work on this. All right, now this here, this is just from the irons. Yuck. Here's the throat plate before. Gross. Now this was kind of fun because it felt like the needle was rested in there, but got it out. I think it took me about 20 minutes just to get the faceplate off, but the reward for all that work, I love this. This is one of the most satisfying things to watch. It's still a little tight because I haven't worked on the balance wheel yet. I love seeing that arm go up and out. It's so satisfying. And much like that other machine, the inside of the balance wheel is just nothing but dry, dusty ookiness. Ooh, now underneath here looks like some spiders were living. Ew. And I have now succeeded in what was the hardest part for this machine and the hardest part on the other one, and that was getting off the needle plate. You know, combination of just crap gunking up the screws and just being in a horrible position with this needle bar. I actually had to go out and buy this ziggy-zaggy screwdriver just to get it off, but luckily once I had that and could actually get in there, it wasn't stuck or anything. So I need to clean this up a lot. Hopefully I can get out the doohickey here and get really up underneath all that. All right, I have been working. And see if I can get this in the angle. And all that I need now is just to get the belt on it once that comes on. There is a belt on here, which is really exciting. Let's see if I can get this going again, because it took me a little while to figure it out. Okay, I've got the belt on here, and oops, wobble wobble. I was able to get going really fast and steady a second ago, so let's see if I can do that again. Nope. It's like learning how to walk. I'm gonna practice this a little bit more before I try actually sewing anything on this. I just finished restoring this treadle sewing machine, and I am just about ready to start trying to sew on it, but first I need to figure out the rhythm of how these things even work. Oop, get it going. It's like learning how to drive. Ah! So that was it. She is back up and running. I have done some sewing on her. Treadling is harder than I thought it was going to be, so I need a lot of practice. Right now I'm somewhat confident sewing straight lines. A little bit. So we're going to be in kind of a transitionary phase where I'm doing different things on different machines, just trying to feel out what works best where. If you would like to see more sewing related content, go ahead and subscribe. I should say that I'm going to try to not buy more sewing machines, but I'm not going to make a promise that I don't think I can keep. Bye now.